This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Taylor DeMario. This 1945 charmer has been restored to a modern glory. Get the best of both worlds of old charm, but with modern style living. Sitting at 1,225 square feet, the two bedrooms are oversized at approximately 13 by 14 each, both featuring spacious walk-in closets. The space does not end there. Home has two full bathrooms, a separate large laundry room, and an oversized kitchen including upgraded level 3 granite, brand new stainless appliances, and brand new cabinetry. Other upgrades include updated plumbing, new siding, new light fixtures, new commercial grade waterproof flooring, paint, new bathrooms and more. Enjoy a warm fire on a cool night on the back patio, or drink a cup of coffee on your quaint covered front porch. The yard is fully fenced in and ready for its new owners to use entertaining or fun. Owner/agent. For more information, review the details below or contact Taylor DeMario at 865-693-1111.